pro-Biafra group Biafra National Guard (BNG) has warned Southeast governors to order the release of their members held in various prisons in the region, or they should forget conducting the forthcoming governorship election in Anambra State. The group noted that their members had been held in various prisons across the Southeast, especially in Onitsha and Awka correctional centers, where dozens of their members had been held for over 15 years without trial. 15 years? My goodness. A statement issued in Enugu on Monday by the head of BNG, Nsika Hackman, the group described as provocative the illegal imprisonment of several Biafran prisoners of conscience held for over 15 years in various prisons. It warned that under no circumstance must any harm or injury be done to these prisoners of conscience. Mrs. Onyekachi Oji, Miss Okudiri Basi, Uche Idikagbu, Michael Okezie, Uchenna Nicholas, Peter Igbokwe, Ikechukwu Agara, Chima Aso, and Chibuike Irundi. Others are Sebastian Amadi, Kasma Odakara, Ujemba Anyaku, Eni Kalu Ndubisi Okam, Ikechukwu Chikwem, Emmanuel Oji, Chukwuma Kalu, Chidebere Chikwem, and Madubuachi Asika. The group gave the Southeast governors May 31st, 2020 deadline for the unconditional release and compensation of these Biafran prisoners of conscience held in the Onitsha and Awka prisons. Why should innocent women be made to suffer for the supposed crime of their husbands? Even among those incarcerated is a pregnant woman who has not set sight on a child since she gave birth in prison, the statement added. According to the release, the BNG will kick-start her activities in Anambra State. We emphasize that the slated November governorship poll will not be allowed to hold, and the state shall be disrupted from being governed. The Nigeria Security Forces must desist from authorizing arrest, patrol checkpoints, or show of uniform in Biafra territory. you see the wrong thing that the government is doing. The same thing they did to, what is this man's name? Dasuki. You just heard the man. If somebody has committed an offense, why just putting the person on hold without anything? You go through the process. If the person has been found guilty, let the person go in for it. Now you are keeping people for 15 years. They don't know where they stand because judgment has not been passed on them. Who does that? Where can all those things be done? And that is what we are talking about. See the way they are releasing Boko Haram, the terrorists, giving them money, telling us that they have repented. It is the government that is even forcing them to repent, and that is why you see that most of them still go back to their groups and begin to commit all manner of atrocities. And the period of that period or that window time, they say that they have repented. They are using it to study the environment, to know on how to strike again. If you say that somebody has done XYZ, let the person face the music. You can't just keep the person there. What does the constitution say? They don't know what they are doing. Whether the judiciary and all of them, the people at the end of affair, they don't know what they are saying, and they don't know what they are doing. They pick and choose what they want to do. What kind of system thrives in that kind of environment? In this world, what kind of system we move forward? They cherry pick what they want to do. You leave others. They are committing blunders. You are committing blunders by not doing the right thing. But when it favors you, begin to quote constitution. You see all these people now for 15 years, even 24 hours or 48 hours, you can't even keep people, and according to what the law has stipulated. But now they do something different. They do something different. Well, no election in Biafra land. If you come out, that one now your case. Don't say nobody want you. Nobody don't want you. You should also raise ESN IPOP dead members. Okay, quickly without doubts. You are always warning, and that is why nobody takes you serious. What will he have done outside warning? I beg, go and search for your medicine and drink. Exactly. They should also raise the dead IPOP members. Go to court for redress. They will release. Your country don't respect the courts. I'm 100% behind the warning. Only talk can't solve this release. Action speaks louder than voice. Evil price must pay if they do the same thing, so their family will be happy. Okay. Noise, these ones are just noisemakers. Are you sure they are still alive? 15 years, wicked country, no elections in Biafra land. Why would people not be saying this kind of a thing when the government itself has done wrong things, and they want the people, the masses, to be law abiding, but they that cannot be law abiding, they will put law, they are above the law. That kind of country cannot work, because everybody there, they started with the lawlessness, and the people also will give them lawlessness. You can't be doing wrong things and expect people to be law abiding. And that is what is always happening. Some people will be vomiting what they are not supposed to vomit, and you are vomiting it. You don't, know that somebody who is hearing it will always react to that nonsense you are vomiting, but they want you to not to react, to be law abiding, to choose your words, but they will not choose their words. That is what has been happening in this country. So my only concern is that, irrespective of what they have done, you said they have done XYZ, then go according to the law and put them where they belong. Not that they are just hanging there and you expect the masses to be law abiding. Okay, okay, oh, we shall see. Well, no need to say time shall come. It has come already. Let us retaliate on time before it may be too late. You always ask for impossibility. The problem IPOB created in the Southeast cannot stop elections not to hold. I support the BNG, but release which people, unknown gunmen that IPOB and BNG have dissociated itself from the advocacy that are working or wrecking. You are not, people who have been there for 15 years. So ESN has been, or the unknown gunmen has started their work since 15 years ago. Or what is this person saying? Some people don't even listen, or they don't even know what they hear. Well, the question is how sure they are still alive. They should produce them, and they should tell us what made them to die. Who are the political prisoners? So now the gangsters have started ruling Anambra State. Not surprising. The first directive they gave was to request the release of criminal elements. One wonders what type of leadership we Biafra adopts. I don't think this noisemaker is aware of what exactly these names are right now, alive or dead, but I think action is the best way, not noise making. You see? Mm-hmm. Mm.